Hey guys, it's Jance again. I'm just here today to show you some very quick and easy boutique merchandising tips. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so for this first rack, I just have a bunch of random items. It's going to be really simple. This one I am going to focus in on two main colors, black and white. So I'm just removing any items that are not of those colors or that do not consist of those colors, and only leaving items that are either very dark, so black, and very bright, which would be a white or a off-white, something of that nature. It's okay to add patterns in. It gives it a little more character, and that is the first rack.
There is medium, large. I think there's a small on the mannequin out there. Can I see the medium? Yeah.
Alright, so back to work we go. One of my favorite things to do is to break up a bunch of shirts or like tops, dresses with denim. So use bottoms to break up a rack. For this rack, I am sticking with a very spring, neutral, bright color scheme. So I left all of my off-whites and whites. I'm mixing in some grays to see how it looks, pinks, pastels. Get the picture. Again, making sure to break up your sleeve lengths. Not too many shirts, not too many dresses. I try to keep things equal if I can. One of my favorite things to do is to try to build outfits on a rack. So for instance, the very first shirt that you see will mix with the skirt, or the jeans mix with the shirt behind it or in front of it. So build outfits on your racks. Alright, so on to the next one. For this one, I am removing my pinks and replacing it with blues, leaving my neutrals again. If you have not noticed yet, I like neutrals. Neutrals are a very easy way to build any rack, so you can build a rack around neutrals. It is so easy for you to do. I also try to alternate styles. So like on this rack, it started with dress, then it went to a skirt, then a shirt, then a bottom again, then a dress, then a shirt, then a bottom. So try not to put too much of the same things back to back. Now on this last rack I'm working on, you'll notice that I did exactly what I just told you not to do, but it's because I have a different plan for this rack. So this particular rack, I am literally making it in color. I'm color coordinating it. So I started with my lightest color and worked my way back to, like, the darkest of the colors. The theme is more pastels, very springy. Again, breaking up the styles, this particular time breaking up the colors with a bottom. So this is the ending result of that rack, and it's actually my favorite. It is how I left it and put it back out on the floor. So here's just a few pictures of what the rack looked like, and thank you guys for watching.